Whether it's your fridge, the cooler that you cool your beers in your car, your steering wheel, your armrest, the insulation in the walls of your house, basically wherever you look, you can find a polyurethane product.
Manufacturing a safe product, I think, is important to all of us. It's really about what we're leaving behind. We want to see our children inherit a better world than what we have now.
It's a great place to come. I enjoy the people. I enjoy what I do. Every day there's something new.
The thing that really keeps me going is that here at Foam Supplies, Todd and the exec team gives all of us individuals the room and the freedom and the resources to do our job.
It goes all the way down to the integrity of the Kelsky family. They treat you with respect, honest with their customers. The product that we send out the door is a top-notch product that we can be proud of as an employee and as a company.